doing the dryer dance. It's not jingling much anymore, but there's all kinds of stuff that came out of it. Oh, there's a $5 bill. And is that a 1?
Yeah.
All kinds of trash and stuff. There's a $5. They'll still spin. $6. Woo! Check them dryers. Been in there for a while. That's more. I'm getting scrap out of it. Right there.
There's probably another 4 or 5 quarters.
Yeah, there's a bunch of quarters and stuff in there. We'll have to go through and get it out. Oh. Alright. Here's Mr. Richard. Hey, look at here. That's in that dryer.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, hey, I got this PC and 2 more in the back for you.
Okay. All right.
You can throw them in there, Tim.
Yeah. Well, let's go back across where we don't.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah. What's up, everybody? Let me clean y'all off. Welcome back to the Concrete Goose channel. Matt, do you want a concrete goose?
I don't care.
Why do I want it?
Because you're weird like that. It'll go on our shelf.
It'll go on our box of trinkets.
You got to take the babies.
Oh, we got to take the babies too.
Yeah, you can't leave them. Just take a mother from her kids.
This thing is actually kind of cool too. We got 3 PCs in the back that Mr. Richard gave us. So thank you, Mr. Richard. We counted it up. We still got a bunch of pennies back here we got to get out. And what we get, like $17 out of that dryer, Matt?
Yep.
A $5 bill, $1 bill. I told you about that, and all the change. So there's probably another 25, 30 cents in pennies that we'll dig out of there. So that's kind of cool. Okay. Matt says there's a vacuum cleaner back there with the cord. Let's go take a look. Oh my gosh, he's going backwards down the street.
You gotta put your blinker on backwards too.
Oh, dang, I didn't know that. No cord, been cut. Where the heck that guy come from? All right. Concrete goose. Why'd I grab it? No. Grab plastic, do something to sit on. What do we got here? Is that a mirror? Yep. Yep, attached. Alright, well, set of those aluminum tires. We'll grab them. Oh, sure. It's gonna be your. Good to go, ain't it?
Yep.
Oh, that one's good too.
Yep. 50,000.
A big old chunk of Romex. Let me get out now. Okay. Oh yeah, front seat material. A couple keyboard. You got it, Laney. Well, let's put it right there. Ooh, cell phone. No back, it's busted. Hey, how's it going? That made it a lot lighter. Alrighty, thank y'all. Y'all have a good one.
Stove works.
Oh,
But I mean, it don't have
it's pretty rough looking.
Yeah, it's nasty. It's been sitting outside. You just want to throw it over?
Yeah, or yeah.
Set it on the back.
It don't matter. What do you want? What's easy?
I don't care.
It's light, ain't it? Yeah, we can throw it over. No, that's good. That'll work. Oh, it's golden, ain't it? Ain't going nowhere, is it? This thing. We got plenty of room.
Watch this.
These are older bicycles. Cool. Rusty Art.
Free flat.
Never heard of it. I don't know much about that stuff. I ain't gonna lie. I know they're heavier than a normal bicycle, it feels like. A newer one, I guess. What? Bye, Matt. I'm gonna get you a trailer. That's funny. I was not expecting that. Oh, that made my night right there. AMF Courier. A free flight. Free flight. Oh. Truck's full. Yep, that's how you do that. Yep. Take the whole thing and shred. Thank you. The fan with the cord.
I bet. It's been cut one time.
All right. Are we ready for light top material stuff yet?
Nope.
All right, we'll leave it there for now. And the person that says you're gonna regret not getting that, no, I'm not actually. There's so much out. No, really, like there's so much out. You don't want to. It's kind of a gamble. Like, yeah, we may not find nothing else, but that weighs like 2 pounds, so we're missing out on 12 cents.
Lord.
Aquarium stuff.
You get that, sorry.
Yeah.
We're on private property, dude.
That's all right.
We're gonna get in trouble.
Oh yeah, it wasn't me the first time, I guess. Today. Had a good mess of cords.
Sorry, the cord's on the ground.
Something's leaking. Oh, Levi's, all kinds of clothes and stuff, but man, I don't have room for it really. What kind of vacuum cleaner is this, dude? Kenmore. Well, I'll just take the cord, I guess. They're a bunch of clothes. Bed frames. Add to the collection. Anything else? Those look a little rough, don't they? Yeah. Golly. I should probably cut the cord on this dude. I'm gonna bust it. Just squish that. Oh, I don't think it'll go anywhere. I ain't driving that fast. Here, let me come around.
Here.
I'll sit here and work on them. Yeah. God dang it. Whew, dang. That my whole life just flashed before your eyes. Dang. That was I guess that'll stay. Sorry about that.
Well, can't get that off, but that's a good chunk.
I got the
It's spinning.
Oh, okay.
That's probably
It'll stay. But I'm just alright, well, almost. That thing shot right across there. I'm glad Matt was over there. I mean, I knew he was over there, but still. I mean, I knew you were over there, but dang, still. Whew. Oh, man. YouTube. Man, these things are a problem. They feel light. They're aluminum. Find some room for this stuff, guys. something in there, maybe. Oh, nice and... Uh-oh. Need my help? I'm here if you need me. Just put it right there. We'll fix it in a minute. We'll go in this parking lot and strap it down. This is what I have on my back glass. Is those. Ain't none on that side, is there? No. That's the exact same cage. Don't have room for it really. I think that one's an aluminum grill. We'll take it. God dang it. How's it going? I hope so. I'm about to do a little rearranging here on the back. Putting this right here. Can. Oh, a dishwasher. Yeah.
Want that one?
Okay.
No?
Yeah. Nah, we'll hold it. Yeah.
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 No.
No, enough
Wait
to cover gas really, and have every once in a while get a little extra.
We take our regular metal here, but we take our other stuff to Fort Smith. I mean Fayetteville. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I had to buy me something and paid him $50.
We got
Yeah.
snacks.
People throw them out all the time.
Yeah. Well, I don't know mine the way.
That blanket run?
Yeah, it runs.
You want to sell it?
How much you gonna get for it? I don't know. It's my
VHS tapes. How's it going?
Lord.
What's this thing? Like something.
There's some kind of Miller High Life sign over there.
Okay. Yeah, we can. I'll get that.
Got a spot for it?
On top. Oh, I might have to go around.
Spot?
On top of the dishwasher.
Okay.
Or you can leave it off. Yeah. That's kind of cool. Alright, I guess that's all I need. Alright. Okay. Oh, dang. Figure out something. I'm really running out of room now. I don't think that's gonna work too well. Make it really hook in there. There we go. Cords out. How's it going?
Good.
All right. I thought I heard something drop. We got room for it in the front or the back. What do you find here? DVD player. Dropped the mat off and I was heading back home. I think I can get that on there. But I seen something else. I'm gonna try to get that, but I seen something else I thought. Poking. Yeah. Chainsaw. Yeah, I think it'll sit right here. And there's a refrigerator right there. Alright. I'm sure y'all don't want to watch me struggle with this. Let's see, how does he have this hooked? Oh, I'm blocking the driveway a little bit. Maybe they don't have to leave. Stuff everywhere, don't I? Oh, dang it. There we go. All right. Think I can get a refrigerator? Let's go up to it and see what we can do with it. Don't know if I can get it. No. Whoops. She makes some more noise there. Something else. How's that? Let's strap it up and crawl 2 blocks to the house.